Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be talking about how to use True Beauty Glow device and whether if it's worth it or not. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So I'm on the official website, so if you just take a look here, this device helps slim neck, face and chin fat, enhances collagen production, helps with facial symmetry, reduces wrinkles and acne. So this they claim it's powerful, clinically proven, real life therapy. So yeah, so you can see there are also a lot of reviews here. They also have a lot of reviews here on their website, and it's about $55. So if you take a look, it also claims it helps slim neck, face, and chin fat. And if we go by science, this is not possible. You can just Google it up. You cannot really spot reduce fat on your face unless you lose overall fat from your body. So this is not a authentic authentic claim. The second benefit they promise is that it enhances collagen production. So yeah, maybe it can enhance your collagen production. They also say it helps with facial symmetry. I don't think it's true as well. It also helps reduce wrinkles and acne. It might help with that, but I don't think it's not helpful with wrinkles and acne. Maybe it can help with collagen, but that's about it. However, if you just go to Google and search for True Beauty Glow device reviews, you can see if you just go to trustpilot.com, you can see it doesn't have a really good score, and there are a lot of one-star reviews. So as you can see, this guy is saying it's absolutely useless. There, so yeah, you can take a look at these reviews and make a more informed decision. But however, personally speaking, I don't think it can help you slim your neck, face, chin fat, help with facial symmetry, reduce wrinkles and acne. So I don't really think it's worth it. However, you can give it a try if you really want to, guys. But that's about it. I hope you can make a more informed decision after this video. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.